when you get the opportunity to pick up one of these side-by-sides like this, it feels like a single-family house, okay? That feel of a single-family house that your tenants get, that's going to translate to money for you. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale Show, folks. Thing is selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour of HoltonWiseTV, giving it to you straight. All right, y'all, I got a solid one for you guys today, man. This is my favorite type of duplex that there ever is, y'all. 7403 Halle Ave, okay? Now this... why is this so cool? Why is this my favorite? What is going on here? What do I like specifically about this? If you look at the layout here, folks, it is a side-by-side duplex. This is the premium layout, okay? This is rare. This doesn't happen all the time. This is unique, okay? Here in Cleveland, you could trip anywhere in the damn city and fall flat on your face and look up and see a fucking duplex, all right? There ain't nothing special about duplexes. We got a whole bunch of them, right? But what's special is duplexes where they're side-by-sides like this, okay? Most of them are up-down, and they feel like a duplex, okay? They don't feel like a house, right? When you have a duplex that is up-down, it very much to those tenants feels like half a damn house they got to share with their neighbor, and let me tell you what, they don't ever get along with their neighbor, okay? You want to invest in Cleveland, you're going to do multifamily, you're going to do up-down duplexes, yeah, you're going to make money. Me, I've made millions of dollars doing it, but let me tell you what, your tenants are always going to be fighting like cats and dogs. That's just part of the game. That's part of the business, right? But when you get the opportunity to pick up one of these side-by-sides like this, it feels like a single-family house, okay? That feel of a single-family house that your tenants get, that's going to translate to money for you because, A, you're going to get a higher rent than you would in a comparable up-down duplex, right? You're going to get a higher rent because their unit feels like a house. A side-by-side like this, multiple floors, okay? You're going to get a higher rent. You're also going to get tenants who are going to stay longer because they don't have somebody literally walking above their bedroom, okay? Or directly below, right? And it's, it goes vice versa, right? Like if you're on the bottom and you're trying to sleep and you got somebody walking around, you're getting pissed. You're like, God damn it, man. They're making noise. I'm trying to sleep. It's driving me friggin' nuts. But if you're the person upstairs, you're also getting annoyed. You're like, dude, I got this guy below me just complaining all the time. Like, dude, I'm getting up trying to walk to the bathroom, trying to walk to the kitchen, cook up some freaking ramen noodles, and this guy's freaking yelling at me because I'm walking, bro. I can't walk on eggshells in my own goddamn house. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of stuff that happens, right? You eliminate that with a side-by-side, right? So your tenants are no longer angry. So not only are they paying more, they're staying longer. And the fact that they're staying longer, folks, that is even better. That's going to make you more money than the higher rent because them staying longer means they ain't jacking up your unit and moving out every year, and you got to do a complete unit turnover renovation every single year, which is blowing your entire year's cash flow budget, right? You don't want to do that, right? The name of the game is keeping people in the units as long as possible. And the people that are in this building, they've been there for many years. So many years, in fact, that their rents are now below market, which is nice, right? You got one at $910, the other at $975. $1,885 a month is coming in with a price point of only $139,999. That is a freaking attractive amount of rent, but it's only going to go up. It should go up. It needs to go up, right? They're both month-to-month tenants here in Cleveland. There's no rent control. All you got to do is give them a 30-day notice when they're on month-to-month to increase the rent. Market rent for both of these units is about $1,200 right now. Anybody who's been following housing in Cleveland or just in general in the whole USA, we've had like a massive amount of housing price increases, rent increases, inflation over the last several years, right? So those rents, they were top of the market maybe 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Today, not so much, right? So even though this bad boy does cash flow for you quite well at $1,885, it's only going to make more because we have room to bump those rents up to $1,200. As far as repairs, the only thing we need to do right now specifically is go in and get this thing lead certified. It already went through the lead certification process back in 2022, so getting it lead certified again will be very simple, very easy. We just have to go in, go through the testing process. There might be a few little repairs you got to make. You'll be able to navigate that with my team as we get through that process for you after you close. Seller's not interested in doing any more repairs. They're ready to sell. They'd like to sell quickly, and they'd like to move their money into other investments. So if you want to buy this, know that you'll have to go through the process of getting it lead certified, but my team is here to help. If you want to manage it on your own and do it on your own, that's fine. But if you want us to manage it for you, continue to handle these tenants on your behalf, no problem. We offer full service property management. It's up to you however you want to handle that after closing. But for now, as far as making an offer, I just need you to send it to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. If it's cash, awesome. Include your proof of funds, which is a bank statement. Feel free to redact your bank account numbers and things like that. I don't need to identity theft you guys today. Owning a whole bunch of duplexes, despite my tenants fighting all the goddamn time, is very lucrative. Should that ever change, I may be tempted to go back and identity theft you later, so let's keep me honest and let's just black out those numbers now, okay? So I don't get all excited down the road, right? And if you want to pay with financing, that's cool too. Send me your offer, just an email like, hey, dude, I saw the Halle building. I want to offer you 140 grand. I want to finance it. Here's my lender. Here's my pre-approval letter. If you don't have a lender, hey, your boy, I got you covered. We will get you lenders. Just send me an email. Let us know that you need a lender. I'll get you my lenders. I've been doing this a long time. I've sold over $200 million worth of real estate just like this, okay? And what I want you to do now, I got another little treat for you. As I've been talking to you guys, and, you know, we've been going back and forth between me, my mug here, and the actual footage we've been showing you of the property tour of the duplex here. I want to give you guys the full unedited tour now. This is going to be completely unedited, completely raw, everything that my guys saw, no cuts, no edits, none of that. You're just going to see what they saw. You're going to see their reaction. And I want you to pay attention to this, right? I do this for a couple reasons. The primary reason being transparency, okay? If you're going to invest in one of these properties, you need to know exactly what you're getting. I know most of you, many of you, are out of state, right? There's so many investors from all around the world investing in the Cleveland market, and you can't just fly here every single time. So I want you to see as much as you can. I want you to get that information, just like a local would, right? So you can make an informed decision. And the second thing is time wasters, right? I don't need you wasting my fucking time, okay? I'm not trying to draw up a 20-page contract, get a bunch of signatures, have my team go back and forth with the tenants and the inspectors and this or that, only for you to then go look at the property with an inspector and then you back out of the sale based on something that is clear and obvious in the tour, right? I'm here to get deals closed. We're here to get things through the finish line. So I don't want any motherfuckers out there wasting my time. So don't make an offer on the property until you've gathered up all the information and you know you're ready to go, okay? We're trying to be efficient here, okay? So let's watch that tour, and then if you're interested, send offers, sales@HoltonWise.com.
Fancy fucking shit out of this thing. I don't know if you want to maybe walk around and I can talk to him.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. 7401 Halle Avenue, Hard A. I didn't even know that's had a driveway.
Yeah,
There's one on that side too, isn't there?
no, it's only this. Well, I don't think so.
Nice side by side duplexicon. Sorry about the angle here. Come on. Just trying to make sure I get everything outside looks pretty nice. I think I can get in that way. I'll go around the other way. Actually, gate's open. This convenient little backyard area. Looks like somebody has a dog. I think it digs. I like dogs. Mini bike. I'm not. This is totally a driveway, dude. What the hell was Derek talking about? Lots of snow. Oh. I think he might have gone in. Oh, he didn't go in.
I was looking for you. I went back around and like, I feel like he didn't walk behind me.
No. That is a driveway, by the way.
Is it connected to this one?
They're two separate driveways.
So is it,
It's got its own driveway.
where the fuck did this driveway show up?
It's always been here, I guess.
What the fuck?
Alright, so what's the deal?
So they have a dog in the basement, so I told her basically we'd do first floor upstairs. While we're upstairs, they're gonna get the dog out of the basement and finish the basement.
Okay.
And it should be pretty in and out, pretty quick.
I don't need to push you.
She didn't give a shit about the shoes yet. It's an edge, so.
Oh. It's too cold.
Wow,
Yeah, when the gimbal gets too hot or too cold, it tries to like recenter itself, and it's not good at it.
doesn't do a great job. I'm probably gonna hang in the range. Tracking.
Yeah, I'll
But you guys just going in.
Okay.
For you.
Thank you. Hey, how you doing?
Sorry.
You're good.
Hi.
Hey, little one, how are you?
Hey.
Come on, hi.
Try not to
Nope,
try.
okay. It's just snow.
Sorry, guys.
I'm gonna say I'll stick by the door.
I'll do my best to keep everybody out.
No, all good.
Okay.
Just get my good side. No, I'm just playing.
Perfect. That's a nice PlayStation 5 back there.
Oh, I think.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Baby, come here. Come over here. This way. He wants to be in the picture. Come on. This way. Get over here.
Very clean. Alright, I'll do the upstairs. He said you were gonna grab the dog or
Yep,
something.
yep.
Okay, so I'll be quick up here. Three bedrooms in here. Clean shower. Color correct. Come on, man. Here.
Yeah, free. Look, baby, he's coming. Look.
I'm right here.
Come here.
Look.
I wasn't going nowhere. I was trying to be as quick as possible too.
See? He wants this.
I'm good to go downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good, yeah.
He can come with me. He's not bothering me.
Okay, baby, hold on.
Careful on the steps, buddy. No, you're good. Want to go down first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
No, he's fine.
Oh,
You,
oh, jeez.
here, just hold this one, actually. Perfect. See, and then we just scan,
Yeah.
and then you gotta stay right by my side, right?
You gotta stay next to
And
me.
I'll scan here.
And you?
Yep. And then I gotta scan this. The furnace, yep.
Yep.
Furnace, and then we gotta do the hot water tank. Easy peasy so far, right?
What the hell?
What's that mean?
Yeah.
It means easy.
Easy.
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we got one last thing.
What easy?
We just gotta get the, yep, right over here.
Oh, there, baby. You gotta be careful with that. I don't want you to break it.
He's okay. I dropped that thing everywhere. Alright, don't touch that. That's hot.
What?
Yeah. Would you just shine it that way for me?
Yeah.
Shine over there.
Perfect.
Box, baby.
What?
Perfect. Alright,
What?
we're done.
It's done.
Thank you for helping.
I know. This is
Oh, I can't see.
Ah, it's so bright.
Here, get back this thing, baby.
Yep, we're good. We're done.
done.
No more filming.
Say thank you, baby.
You do.
Thank you for helping. I appreciate it. Thank you. Whoops. Oh, thank you. You're very helpful. All good. Yep, we're good.
Yes, do.
Thank you for leading the way. Thanks for holding the light.
We don't really work with them.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.